How the rich use debt to get richer. Ever noticed how hearing the word debt makes most of us cringe? But for the super rich, debt can be the secret sauce for getting even richer. First things first, not all debt is evil. Wealthy investors often talk about good debt and bad debt like pizza toppings. Some flavors build you up, others just give you a tummy ache. Good debt is borrowing to buy things that make you money. Think mortgages on rental houses, business loans, or student loans for that high-paying degree. Robert Kiyosaki, Rich Dad Poor Dad, says the wealthy use good debt to grow their fortunes. He even shows how splitting $100K of cash into down payments on multiple rental properties, borrowing the rest, can double your return. Bad debt, on the other hand, buys stuff that loses value or saps your wallet. Fancy cars, flashy gadgets, maxed out credit cards. These are financial quicksand. If it doesn't make you money or last long, it's probably bad debt. New car loans and yacht payments certainly fit that bill. So how do billionaires wield this power? Through leverage and OPM, other people's money. This means using borrowed money to amplify what your own cash can do. As Kiyosaki puts it, using OPM is one of the key strategies the rich use to accelerate wealth. For example, 10K of your money might buy 10K worth of stock, but that same 10K as a down payment on a 100K rental with a mortgage suddenly controls a much bigger income-generating asset. Then your tenant's rent is essentially paying off your loan while you build equity. Real-life examples. Elon Musk wanted to buy Twitter, now X, for $44 billion. He didn't have 44B in his mattress, so he borrowed about $13 billion in loans using Tesla shares as collateral. In effect, he used debt to grow his empire. Donald Trump, love him or hate him, did something similar. In 2012, he refinanced Trump Tower in NYC. He replaced a $27 million mortgage with a $100 million loan, pulling out $68 million in cash. The building hadn't changed, he just borrowed against its value. That $68 million became fuel for other investments. Even Richard Branson mortgaged his own private island, Necker Island, to bail out Virgin Atlantic during a crisis. Talk about betting the house or island on a business. Think of leverage like a seesaw. A little push on one end, your down payment, lifts a much larger weight on the other. The asset's income, rent, profit, etc., then helps pay back the loan, while hopefully leaving extra in your pocket. Of course, this isn't magic. If the market dips, you still owe the debt. That's why the rich also aimed for low interest rates and solid collateral, so their assets can grow faster than their borrowing costs. Bottom line, debt is a tool, not a trap. The rich learn to use it like a power tool, carefully and strategically. They borrow for assets that earn and grow, not for liabilities that burn. So, next time you hear debt, don't panic. Think leverage. With a smart plan and a little borrowed cash, debt might just be the rocket fuel your financial journey needs.
I would be very happy if you subscribe to my channel and like the video. Take care, guys.